Look at this shit. There's an egg here, and an egg there, and crushed remnants of an egg here. So I woke up this morning and I walked out here and I see a cat just shimmying up the stairs. On like hot days, hot nights, we leave the front door open, like this actually, to let in some cool air. Well, it's different today. Today's raining, but to let in some cool air, and occasionally some cats get in. I don't have any proof of this, but I think that cat dragged some eggs out of the kitchen and started messing with them on the stairs. My God. Oh, yeah. It's actually pretty nice out today. It's early in the morning and it's raining and I don't have a ride to work. So that's fun. Let's take a look. Alright, it's cold as shit. I'm getting rained on.